I'm Natalie and I'm going to show you how to grow and care for your indoor plants. Adding greenery brightens up indoor spaces and plants have mood boosting qualities. To take care of your plants, you'll need a liquid fertiliser spray, a pest oil, fungus spray, insect pest spray, insect traps, a watering can, spray bottle, damp cloth, a soil moisture meter, a self-watering pot, specialised potting mix, gloves and a mask. Just like outdoor plants, your indoor plants need fertilising too. At Bunnings, there's a wide variety of products that you can pick up to fertilise your plants. There are slow release pellets that you use every couple of months, or there's liquid fertilisers that you can put into a watering can, or you could use a spray like this. This particular spray is designed for indoor plants. Use this every 2 to 3 weeks and your plants will thrive. It's a good idea to regularly check your plants for any signs of disease or bug infestations. If anything looks a bit iffy, make sure you separate that plant from the rest so that the disease or bugs don't spread. Bunnings has a wide variety of products to treat any problem you might have, ranging from bugs to any types of diseases. Ask your local team member and they'll be more than happy to assist you in finding the right product. If you can't bring your plant in, it's a good idea to take a photo of the problem so the team member knows exactly what they're dealing with. These little sticky insect traps here are perfect for getting rid of any flies or bugs. Simply pull the sticky stuff off the back and the front and stick it in. One thing to keep in mind with your indoor plants is that the leaves facing the sun will grow more than those in the shade. So you want to rotate your pot every few days, just so it grows evenly. Plants like cacti like full sun, so I've got them here in a north-facing window where they'll get the most amount of light throughout the day. Plants like devil's ivy like low light, so make sure you put it somewhere with a bit of shade and out of direct sunlight. So this little guy is in the perfect spot. Plants need water, but overwatering is a real issue with indoor plants. Before watering your plants, check the moisture level of the soil first. You can check the moisture of the soil with your hands, or for a more accurate reading, you can pick up a moisture meter from Bunnings. Stick it in the soil, wait a minute, and it'll give you an accurate reading of the moisture. This one here is far too wet, and so I'm gonna have to let it dry out or it could be at risk of getting root rot. Choosing the right pot is important for your indoor plant, and if yours needs some good drainage, this kind of pot is perfect. The water will run through the holes and catch in the base, so it won't oversoak your roots. Make sure to repot your plant every couple of years, just so it stays nice and healthy. There's a wide variety of premium potting mixes available, but you can also get specialised ones for cacti, succulents and orchids. Dust and grime make it hard for your plants to respirate, so it's a good idea to get rid of it every so often. Use a damp cloth on plants with big leaves, but for plants with smaller leaves, a misting spray bottle with water will be great. Wipe away the dust and your plants will breathe and thrive. Adding indoor plants to your house adds life and character and it will brighten up your home.